Hey, yo, what's up? It's Uncle Chris with another edition of Fat Dudes Approve. I just shot a real quick snippet. You need to go down there, holla at Chewy, holla at D, holla at Clari. I mean, they got some stuff right now. I picked up the Clari special. Hers, I guess, is so detailed in her sheet. It's a popular one, so about to get into this real quick. So this one's called the reset button. So this right here, Claudia, you did a great job. Y'all need to go down there and see her. Holla at y'all later. Peace.